everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I am going to do a DIY makeup brush plate. So you've seen like little things where you can buy things so you can swirl and twirl and brush up against on to help clean your brushes. Well, I feel like it's a load of nonsense because you could make one yourself, and you can get, I bought a pack of 8 plates. Don't need 8 plates, but it's for $1 at the Dollar Tree, because there's a lot of dollar stores, but not all of them are a Dollar Tree, because the Dollar Tree is the only one that I know that everything's $1. So I got this 8-pack of round plates. This is like in the party aisle. Very durable, you can wash it, everything like that, so it's definitely one that you can use. Or you can go to like Walmart or something and get a really plain children's plate. And here's this yellow one. I'm not going to use this one because my kids are going to throw a fit if they see me using their plate. So I just picked up a pack of a $1 8-pack round plates. Next, you'll need a hot glue gun. You could get a fairly cheap one, the cheapest of the cheapest one I found at Walmart for $2 and I want to say $2.98. And then you could pick up a small bag, the smallest bag, of glue sticks for 97 cents. And then, yeah, that's all you need. That is all you need. So, and then of course, when you clean your brushes, like a makeup shampoo, or if you created your own concoction or whatever for your cleaning your brushes. But we're going to get started. I'll walk you through on how I create mine. And this is the first one I did. This is my first time doing this. And I just let it dry, and I tested it out on one of my dollar brushes just to make sure it was going to work okay. This one's raggedy because I didn't really know how to handle the glue gun at first, but I got an idea on how to do it, and I'll tell you guys here in a second. So here we go. So you just want to grab one of the plates, the plate that you want to use. Also, you can use some people prefer something bigger. You can get a bigger plastic plate, or you can use a clipboard, but a plastic clipboard, not the it's not wood. It's like box materials. I don't know, but just do the plastic clipboard if you're gonna go that route. But we got our plate. You want to wait for your glue gun to warm up. And I usually kind of feel here and kind of test it out, but I need something to. I'm just testing on the back of this just to show you guys. And then I just wipe it. I know that it's warm because it came out melted. It's hot, so be careful. Oh, you want to do a design. I'm just doing a bunch of random ones. And like I said, this one's raggedy, so I'm going to do another one. And this one's to show you guys. But I wanted to do it for myself first just to see if this was even worth it. So I'm going to start by going down the middle. I'm just going to do a bunch of wiggly, squiggly lines, and I'll show you guys here how I did them. But I'm running out, so I'm going to stick another glue gun in here. And you can see I got a little some strands from the hot glue gun on here, and to avoid that, when you're getting ready to end it off, you can just swirl it and then lift up, and it'll prevent those cobweb looking things. So there's that. It does not have to be perfect. And then I'm going to do another one, and I'm pretty much going to do the same thing I did here. And I'm going to do some polka dots on the top right corner. So I've done my polka dots in the top right corner. Now I'm going to do diagonal lines. Those are my diagonal lines on the bottom right. And there's my finished designs on the plate. And then you want to wait at least about 10-15 minutes so it can dry. So I'll come back so we can test it out on the brushes. Okay, I am back. So let's go ahead and test this out. The little makeup cleaning plate that we just created. I hate when these pop-ups come up, sorry. Well, this is the first one I did was my Kabuki brush. It was one that I got from the dollar store. Before, I should have did before and after, but we're going to do the other ones. This one was really beige tannish, like my foundation. And I usually use this to wipe off any of the setting powder. So it's been fairly clean. It's back to black. And I mentioned before earlier in the video that you're going to need some type of makeup brush shampoo or your own concoction, however you clean your makeup brushes. Whatever solution you think is best. I use EcoTools makeup brush shampoo. I got it off of Amazon. I believe it was like $4.99. and it's for a deep weekly cleanser for the brushes. It's free of parabens and phthalates, y'all. I don't know how to pronounce it. It is dermatologist tested and is hypoallergenic or bleh. Don't know what I'm trying to say. It's cruelty free. That's a plus. And also removes more than 90% of makeup. So this is my first time using it. I wanted to use it with this video, so we'll also see how it does on the rest of these brushes. And it says use warm water. I'm just going to rinse it off first to get any of that excess glue. Okay, so you're going to put a little bit of your shampoo in there, and you want to, get your brush wet, and you're just going to add a little bit of water in there, and you're just going to swirl, 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 swirl. You see all that, all of it, all the makeup. Very cheap. Was able to make this under $5. And just so we can keep reusing the soap, once you're done rubbing it off on the plate, you want to squeeze under the water. And when you dry them, you're supposed to hang them like this, but I'm going to do it after this video. For now, I'm just going to lay them down. And it got back to the original color that it was before. I think. I don't think it was white. I think it was like a beige. But we're just going to do the rest of them now. There you have it, you guys. That is how you create a DIY makeup brush plate cleaner. And I think I did really well. Nothing fell off, nothing feels loose. So this will last quite a while, and for the cheap ski. So under $5. So I'm using this for now one. I don't know about you guys, but I found it very efficient and easy to do. So let me know what you think below. If you create one yourself, tell me how that worked out for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and notification bell right next to it. And give me a big thumbs up. And don't forget to leave a comment. See you guys in the next video. Bye.